talk about the smart home, but our next guest is proving smart access to the home, and providing that is really kind of cool. Welcome the head of North American operations for a company called Okidokeys, Todd Herion. Todd, welcome into Tomorrow. How are you?
Good, very well. Thank you. Thank you for having me.
I like the name of the company too right away, Okidokeys. I mean, it's a term that I've used over the years,
Sure.
you know, just in response, sometimes in a text, okie dokie, you know, somebody's just
That's
telling me
right.
something. And some people look at me weird for using such a term. It's like a simple okay would suffice. Yeah, but it's not as much fun
That's right.
as okie dokie. So now you've added Okidokeys.
That's right.
to
We
the
have
mix.
made it new again, reinvented.
Yes, indeed. Now
Yes.
tell me how Okidokeys works and what does it do?
So Okidokeys is a smart lock and smart key solution. The focus is on the keys. So we're bridging the gap between the 200-year-old flat metal key technology
Yeah.
and the 5.7 average connected devices per household, and providing a variety of options for people to share access to their home to trusted individuals
So this basically allows us to get into our homes without a
That's
key.
without a
Or
flat metal
we're
key.
basically using the key as a digital key.
Correct.
Ah.
Variety of devices, smartphones, basic phones, text and talk and text only phones, and smart tag devices. And also not just for the front door, but also for the garage door and any other electrified access point like a gate. It would work on as well.
So is this a device that just takes the place of the old-fashioned lock on the door?
It actually does not fully replace the lock on the door. All you do is remove the thumb turn on the inside and install our device on that. So from the outside of the home, you do not see anything different. The same metal key would still work.
Okie dokie. Or Okidokeys,
That's
as,
right.
as the case might be. So even if you can still use the old key if you had
can.
it, or if it's hidden under the rock somewhere and nobody else had access, but you know, and you can still use it. But why would you want to when you can do it electronically?
Absolutely.
So you can do this as you either walk up your walkway or unlock the door from anywhere in the world because you're using your smartphone, for example, to allow someone in that, as you mentioned, is
There
trusted.
is an option for an online gateway, a Wi-Fi gateway. You could do that if you want to, but Wi-Fi is not required.
Okay, so that's interesting. So now you're communicating with our mobile device to your device
Correct.
via Bluetooth or
Via anything you would like. It
Really?
could be Bluetooth, it could be NFC, and it could be our cryptoacoustic credential, our CAC. It's an actual audio tone.
I beg your pardon. Your what? your crypto acoustic credential.
That is correct.
Wow. Okay, that's the first time I've heard that one. So, but we're
It's
here
ours.
at CES, so it's yours.
It's
and,
ours.
and use it proudly. I might
That's
add.
right.
So, well, show me, for example, on you mentioned an app. So, what would the app do?
So
And
the app-
We'll get Chris to zoom into the app here, and okay.
Right.
So
right now it would be searching for a lock nearby, which of course there
Okay.
is not one.
Gotcha,
right here.
right.
But you would just hit that little button, it turns, and so it's reaching out for the lock.
So the key is spinning on his app on his phone, and good that you're a fellow Android. I like that.
That's right.
But so if basically I could be unlocking your home right now from here.
That's if we were in range of my lock. That's correct.
Okay.
Yeah.
But then otherwise I could do it online as well.
There
though?
would be a way to do it through our web portal if you had a Wi-Fi
okay.
gateway connected to your lock as
Gotcha.
well.
And I would imagine that could come in handy if if you're letting a kid in after school or something and
correct.
unlock the door for them. And
We have full door sensors. You can tell if your door is closed or not. Your garage door gate as well could have a sensor, so you can remotely see, oh, I left my garage door open, and you can close it. You can get notifications of when someone has opened your door as well. So if you want to know when your kids are home.
yeah, that's a great
notifications.
example because it gives a whole new meaning to the latchkey kids.
That's correct.
Where you have the ability to say, Okidokeys got me covered because I
right.
know now my son or daughter's home from school, all's well. At least they're not having a party, hopefully, but they're in the house. They're home safe.
That's right. That's right.
And I like the concept of using the online portal for those trusted individuals that it just might be handy to unlock the door.
That's right.
Well, otherwise, what range are we talking about? I mentioned earlier, can you then I can unlock my door as I'm walking up my walkway? Or?
That's correct. There is a hands-free option as well that you could have your door automatically unlock as you approach your house, or your garage door automatically go up, however you've configured your system.
Is it available now?
It is open for pre-sale now on our
Okay.
website, okidokeys.com.
And how much?
$179 for the lock.
Okay.
And there's
you,
packages.
And you don't mean
and
$1.79. 100.
That's correct.
That would be cool. We'd
That
sell
would
a
be
bunch of 'em.
fantastic if we could do that.
We'd
That's
sell
right.
a bunch. But $179 at Okidokeys.com.
That is
You'll get
correct.
more information. We'll link you there, too, when you hit us up at intotomorrow.com. But Okidokeys, Okidokeys.
That is right.
.com. Todd, thanks for joining us, and continued good luck. Sounds like
Thank
a
you.
cool thing, and I like how you're thinking about innovative, different ways digitally to get into the
All
home.
about lifestyles and flexibility.
Yes, indeed. Intotomorrow.com for more. While you're there, be sure to hit up and check the video, this year's highlight video from CES 2014 as Into Tomorrow continues from Las Vegas.